Hi students, Heart of Gold is a song by Neil Young, and this sounds like the same exact key that he took it in, including this intro, which is demonstrated in tablature. Now tablature, it's the high E that's on top, so it's almost as if you're looking at your guitar upside down. The strings are in that order, as if it was upside down. And remember, the numbers are the frets, not the fingers, not in this case. So you have a solitary E, and then you play an E minor 7th. So if the numbers are the frets, you can have your two fingers on the A and D string at the 2nd fret as such, and if 2nd fret, and then your pinky is on the 3rd fret of the B string. So you have just like that. And instead of not E minor, but E minor 7th, you're adding that pinky. Oh, and they do tell you how many times you, so it's E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, D, E. Now the E minor, there's no 7th. And then this little device is a hammer-on. So you play the open D, and then you slam the 2nd finger, actually the 2nd finger, yeah, into the 2nd fret. Let me demonstrate that. So after playing, now that was, so you can see, you strike the D, and then you push down the finger, and then you strike the G string, and put down the 2nd finger. Excuse me, that was the D string. So you strike the A string, and then you pluck the D, and you play both of those. So again, it's I strike each one. And then the song, of course, is, if I had a harmonica, I would be playing the, then the intro again.